mahahagan, makulang man sa'kin itong sandali. Alam ko na tayo'y magkikita muli hanggat may umaga pa na haharapin. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin.
Thank you so much, Ate Maria. Love you.
Puso'y lumaban man, walang magagawa. Saan ka?
Thank you.
Kailan ka muling mahahangkan? Magkulang man sa'kin itong sandali. Alam ko na tayo'y magkikita muli hanggat may umaga pa na haharapin. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Ikaw lang ang
Ang taas. Charot, okay lang. Thank you, Ate Maria. Sarin, thank you. Wala, pagod yung boses ko kasi maghapon ako nagtasalita. Pero thank you. Oy, kumusta naman sa mga bagong pasok natin, guys? Greet naman natin ang mga bagong pasok. Hello po sa mga bagong pasok dyan. Ayan. Hopefully, you guys are enjoying my stream. Ayun, guys. Thank you for visiting me, guys. Please don't forget to follow me here on Kumu and also on Instagram. So, if you want to know my handle, just go ahead and visit my Kumu page, and then you should be able to see my Telegram handle as well. CK, hello. Welcome. How are you, CK? Long time. How are you? Ayan, sa mga bagong pasok po, guys. I think we're a few hours left before we get our gold badge back. Ate Ja, CK, kumusta? Kumusta po sa inyong lahat? Hopefully, you guys are doing well. If you guys have any requests, please let me know, guys. Long time.